Mukti Bharat is doing great service to Bharat if you really believe in the idea of Bharat as enshrined in the Constitution of India, number one. When you're talking about the government taking action right now, my simple contention is why are we talking about this one particular manipulated media tag which was given to Bharatiya Janata Party leaders' tweet? And the point being made is why was it not given to the other tweets? Is this the way we run our governments? Don't we have laws, where we can consider and put forward an entire list of problems that we have with Twitter? But no, this sounds like a tit for tat. And the reason clearly is that the Modi government has stood exposed during times of COVID, and that is why it's being done. The constitutionality will be decided by the court because the matter is already in court, like you yourself mentioned.
Your political point that the BJP will answer, and I'll take it to Neeti Jain. But what I'm asking you is that if somebody claims to be a platform, so the platform, if the platform starts choosing which train can stand there and which train cannot, then it ceases to be a platform. If the platform decides that it will tag certain people but it won't tag some other people, it will pull down some posts but it will not pull down some posts, then it's not neutral and it's not a platform then. Then it is acting like a police. It's acting like somebody who's trying to push a deliberate agenda. Then you take that position. Then don't claim to be neutral and a platform. Then you say that you're a mouthpiece. You're a mouthpiece against the government. You have a position and you're going to back that position. Isn't that a fair argument?
I would have agreed to you if the government had not chosen this timing. The government has a problem right now because my voice of dissent should be heard. And if I put something on the platform and Twitter tags it as manipulated media or removes it, which Twitter does all the time with our tweets also, that does not mean that I will question Twitter on it being biased against me. Well, Twitter has its own rules and we have given them that authority when Twitter came into the country. Right. Just a second.
Yeah.
So when the rules were brought in, these rules were brought in, Anand, in February. Why is it that at that time the government has been put into the dock, not just by us, but by the entire country which was suffering, the people who were suffering? And is that why the government has gone after it? Then
no,
the
IT guidelines were a process and they were given 3 months to appoint somebody. Sujata, you also understand this. If somebody is given 3 months, all other social media giants who have 10 times the kind of base in our country have complied, and Twitter is saying, I will not comply. My point is not even the political points that you and the BJP are going to score, or the Congress and the BJP or the SP and the government. You can have political opposition. My issue is a Gurpatwant Pannum and a Sikh for Justice running a poll on dividing India is promoted by Twitter on Indian soil. You please tell me, will they dare to do this in America? Will they dare to run a poll run by Al-Qaeda in America? Will they do it? Will they dare to do this? Will they dare to do this? Will they dare to do something like this anywhere else in the world? And they think they can get away with that in my country. This is not something which any of us should tolerate.
Well, the government must be having some policy, right? When these platforms were brought into the country.
That is what I'm saying. So if there is a policy and if they don't follow it, then what do? Should I not pull them up?
No, they have also said, Anand, that we need more time and we will answer.
Nah, but this is deliberate.
You are not a spokesperson of Twitter. I don't understand why you're defending them on these issues at all.
No, I'll tell you what. So what she's trying to say, Neeti Jain, is the fact that your response is at a time when you want to take the heat of you. Her point, I think her limited point is very clear that you are responding and you are taking Twitter just to deflect some amount of negative attention towards you and the way you are handled COVID-19.
No, my only
that is her argument. Yes, Sujata.
Yes. This government has been in place since 2014, and what have we been subjected to? Troll armies, and this is not hidden from you. So a vitriolic government behaving in this vindictive and vengeful manner is expected to behave in this particular manner.